Right, Demerara brown sugar. I have that in a jar there. And Demerara. Cut the top off. Turnip.
Part of the central section of the flow movement. It occupied 29 minutes of the symphony's total length of just over an hour. During the summers of 1890
Have
and
that then.
91, he spent his holidays and his retreat in the Abruzzo Alps working on the symphony. Some 7 years earlier, he set a charming hymn-like poem from Das Knaben Wunderhorn.
So what I do then is
Verses, which he frequently thundered at that time.
wind the hands, obviously.
And included it in a concert in Hamburg in October 1893. Although it doesn't appear in full until the last movement, it is frequently hinted at as the symphony progresses. When it arrives, it seems to sum up all the earlier material.
Just gouge a little hole out of that. You need to get the spoon in there like this.
The audience might have found it easier to
So,
follow the picture.
bone to keep it flat there. I get 2 spoons of this Demerara sugar in there. Try and keep it level. So, now leave that overnight, 12 hours past 7 now, or time, whatever. That'll go into a syrup. And you just take a spoon of it for any coughs, sore throat, or so a very good syrup, very healthy. So that's a little tip that I learned there lately. And again, it's a lot healthier than the cough bottles that are supplied today for children that would have coughs. So as I say, I leave that now for 8 hours and that will go into a syrup. It extracts whatever is in the turnip as well and makes a nice tasty syrup. So then when I have the syrup taken out of this tomorrow, I just put in another 2 spoons into it and I will be able to get 8 syrups out of this turnip, adding this sugar after taking the syrup every day. So stay healthy, lads, that's all I can do, and have a nice evening. This will go over to keep the dust off it. Spot on. So that's grand. Oh. Okay.